Hi friends, welcome back to Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. So today I'm going to be talking about two typing programs that we have used in our homeschool in the past few years, and I'm going to take you onto the computer and give you a look. Now, best of all, these two programs are absolutely free. So these two programs that we're talking about today are typing.com and typingclub.com. And I'm just going to flip the camera around and get you on my computer and give you a look inside of these two free typing programs.
So here I am at typing.com. This is the one that I'm using with my kids this year at this time. So I'll explain why I chose to do this one first, but I'll explain that a little bit later. So you can log in as a student or as an instructor or administrator. I'm going to log in as instructor since I have that account. So here I am in my dashboard. There's not a lot I can do since I don't have the premium subscription. With the premium subscription, I believe what you get is you get ad-free as well as a few extra things like real-time activity. You can see how your kids are doing. So at this point, I just have a dashboard here. I was able to set up my class, so I had my class name for my family, 4 students, just kind of said they're in 5th grade, but I don't think it really matters what grade they're in. And then we have reports here. So let me see, current lesson progress, I can run a report. I can just see their averages for all my kids, their average speed, their average accuracy, and their average time spent typing throughout each of these lessons. All right, so the last thing I'm going to look at in this little bar here is curriculum. They tell you sort of how long different things should take. So we have pre-keyboarding, learning the keys, punctuation and advanced keys, cross-curricular typing, digital citizenship and communication, and then we have a creative writing, which is premium only. We have typing tests here, so you can give your child a typing test. So here you go. This is what the typing test would look like if you want to just see how they're doing. So that's the dashboard. That's nothing too exciting. I'm going to go ahead and log out, and I'm going to log into one of my children's accounts so you can see what it's like on the inside. All right, so here I am inside one of my children's accounts. As you can see, there's ads on the side here, and this is where she is at. This is not starting from the beginning. This is where she's at right now. I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to do this one to restart this one and see what that looks like. All right, so it has a little video showing you what to do. And if you continue watching this, you will see that this video is a little bit shorter than the typingclub.com video for this first lesson. So I feel compared to typing.com, this one has a few more places where I have to just keep clicking continue in smaller steps. So here's another video. I'm not going to watch that. Skip the video. All right, and so now I'm learning how to type space. Okay, so I found it and I have to press enter. All right, so let's go back to the beginning. And so here are the different levels: learn the keys, punctuation, advanced keys, applying typing, digital citizenship, and then your problem keys typing practice. And then here are a bunch of the lessons. And that's how that is set up. You can see the average speed, the average accuracy, and the total typing time that she has done. So 48 minutes so far. My daily goal is 15 minutes, and I've done 37 seconds of that. I have my kids do typing twice a week for about 15 minutes, so we don't do it every day. I feel like we can just do it. Slow and steady is fine. All right, so then if I look up here, there are tests. So I could do a typing test of 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute typing test. We have games. So you can play different typing games in here. And then we have achievements. So you can see what achievements they've earned. Different like typing speed, I can look at that. And then you can change your theme. So she changed her theme 6th grade to something. So here I am at typingclub.com. So you could just get started by clicking on this. And so here are all the lessons that it has. And what I really like about typing.com is you can take the placement test, and that will take you to where you need to be. So you could have your child go ahead and click on the test and start taking the test. So this is what it looks like. And then we just continue with that, and it would place you at the correct lesson. So eventually at some point you would want to log in and come up with a username password for your child to have. This also has an option to upgrade to premium, which means that you will be ads free. So one of the drawbacks of both of these programs is that there are ads. So if your child is likely to click on the ads and things like that, these might get in the way. So I think it keeps placing me at lesson 15 or something because I already passed that one section in the typing test. Look at what the lessons look like from the beginning. So after a fun little lesson, they will start having the child do the activities. All right, so that's just an example of what a lesson looks like in Typing Club. And as you can see, I've done these lessons so far. So I've done these 4 lessons. And as you go, the child will get a certain number of stars. You might require that they get either 4 or 5 stars in order to continue. And if they skip lessons, which they can, you can always see where they've skipped and how well they've done on the final assessment for that section. You can also see up here their progress, how many stars they have, and they get points. You can track their progress. You can sign up for that if you would like. Then they have badges that the kid can earn just for fun. And then when you go to Typing Jungle, you can go to more lesson plans, and they have some other free things that you can try out. So we have typing for grade 1, Jungle Junior, typing for grade 4. So there are a bunch of things here that I actually haven't even tried, but they're fun things to do. You check these out as well. They even have different languages. Over here, you have a little dashboard at the very beginning here. I can see my speed, how it compares to last week, how it compares to last month, how much time I've spent, how much of the keyboard I know, and how accurate I'm typing. So these are 2 very easy to use typing programs. I'm starting with typing.com because I know that typingclub.com has a typing test. So my plan is for me to start my kids on typing.com and finish that, and then come over to Typing Club and have them take the test so that they don't have to do the same program over again. So that is my plan. And I have used typing.com and Typing Club in the past with my 2 daughters, but I am having my oldest daughter do it again. And I've mentioned before, my younger daughter doesn't need to do it because she's already typing up her reports. So I'm not making her do typing this year.
So that is a look inside typing.com and Typing Club. I hope that's helpful in letting you decide if that's something you want to add to your own school day. Thank you so much for coming today. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of future videos. I'm currently working on a bunch of curriculum flip-throughs and reviews, so stick around if that's something you're interested in seeing. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.